उस्मान पब्लिक स्कूल के तहत हिस्ट्री फेयर का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें स्कूल के बच्चों ने मुख्तलिफ सेगमेंट्स में हिस्सा लिया और अपने मुनफरिद फ़न का मुजाहरा किया। हिस्ट्री फेयर में ग़ज़वात इस्लाम, सिंध की कदीम तहज़ीब के आसार, मोहनजोदड़ो से पाई गई मुख्तलिफ अशिया, पत्थरों के दौर और तारीख़ी मिस्र की ज़िंदगी, अहराम मिस्र, कदीम जंगली ज़िंदगी और कदीम फ़ोटो गैलरी की नुमाइश का एहतमाम किया गया। प्रोग्राम में ज़ाहिर ख्याल करते हुए बच्चों ने कहा कि
I'm presenting the model of Ghazwa Badr. Ghazwat were the battles in which Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam participated himself and fought against the kuffars.
I am a mujahid of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's army. This is a tent in which we stay during Ghazwat. Ghazwat are the battle in which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam participated. We used to fight with our swords, bow and arrow and our spears.
These are the bangles and the necklaces of Mohenjo-daro, which the local people called Dravidians wore. They were very fond of their jewelry. This is a seal. This is a seal which is used by the government for the stems.
This is the timeline of Stone Age. As you know, human life began with Adam al-Salam and Bibi Hawa. They are our parents, but we do not know about the time. You know, the Stone Age is the earliest time we know, that is divided into three main periods. Those are Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age.
This thing should be promoted, I think, right? And I can see the teachers and the students, everybody has put in a lot of effort and we are really impressed.
Everything is very nice. We from this exhibition we have got many information about history.
There was so good decoration also, and we learned more about what happens in history.
Early people, how they make these things, they are representing all these things. This is the early pot making she's making, and this is the cloth weaving, how the early people used to weave the cloth she is representing. And this is the oven and the bread making. Early people they used to make the bread.
It was very informative also. As we see, it was looking very amazing and it was looking as if it is in reality. As you know that the area of Karachi has been known the ancient Greeks by names called Kala. It was also known as a part of Dibble to the Arabs from Muhammad bin Qasim led his conquering force into the South Asia in 172 AD.
Usman Public School system was established in 1989. It is a chain of 10 campuses which follows an integrated Islamic curriculum to instill Islamic values in the students.
This is the Egyptian art. The students of class 5 have made these projects. This is the pyramid of about 3500 BC, and these are the mummies and the canopic jars.
I am an early woman cooking food for my children. This is our house where we live, and this is the cave painting we have made. Over here we have kept a statue to pray, and here we have done some pot painting.
How did you find the Tuesday program of the Islamic history program of the Usman Public School?
Very nice and excellent, and I am confident students, and I am very impressed the way they are representing the Islamic history, and very encouraging. And I wish that all the private schools, especially the O-levels one, should practice the same. And I am very happy that each child of this school are confidently talking in English, and they are very confident.
Actually, history is always considered a very dead and subject because it just gives the facts on papers and in books. And to give a zest and vitality to this subject, it is important that we have models. As you must have seen, there are models around. So I think this is also a very interesting way of teaching and of learning for the students and for the teachers also. So that is why we decided to have a history fair, so that to create an interest in this subject.
प्रोग्राम में दूसरे स्कूलों से आए हुए बच्चों और असातिज़ा ने भी शिरकत की और बच्चों की फ़नी और तख्लीकी सलाहियतों को सराहा। कैमरामैन वसीम मुगल के साथ मोहम्मद उबैद, रॉयल टीवी न्यूज़, कराची।